Let us do another solved example. A particle is moving in a plane such that in x and y direction its velocities are given by these two equations. Velocity along x direction is Vx equals to 5t square plus 7t plus 3, and velocity along y direction is Vy equals to 2t cube. And we have to find the angle between the direction of velocity and acceleration at t equals to 1 second. That means first we have to find the net velocity and we have to find the net acceleration of the particle at t equals to 1 second, and then we have to find the angle between the vectors of velocity and vectors of acceleration. So first let us solve about velocity. Since the equations of velocity are already given, so we can directly write that at t equals to 1 second, the velocity vector is given as Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. So it will be written as Vx at t equals to 1 second, Vx will be 5 into 1 square plus 7 into 1 plus 3. So this will be equal to 5 plus 7 plus 3, which will be 15 I cap. Velocity of along y axis at t equals to 1 second, if we put t equals to 1 here, it will be equal to 2. So 2 j cap. So this will be the velocity vector. We can also find the magnitude, which will be equal to 15 square plus 2 square. 15 square is 225 plus 4, so it will be equal to 229. Similarly, for acceleration, since we are not given the equations of acceleration, we have to derive them from velocity. We know that acceleration is given as dv by dt or dvx I cap vy j cap upon dt, and we can put the values here, or we can separate them first so that they are easier to understand. So we have to differentiate both Vx and Vy with respect to t. So I am directly writing here, if we differentiate Vx, it will be 10t plus 7. So this will become 10t plus 7 I cap. Vy will be 6t square j cap. So at t equal to 1 second, this acceleration vector will become at t equals to 1 second, it will be 10 plus 7, so 17 I cap plus 6 j cap. So this will be the acceleration vector. We can also find the resultant. The resultant will be 17 root of 17 square plus 6 square, and this will be equal to 325. So we have magnitudes of both velocity and acceleration, and we have vectors also for both velocity and acceleration. Now we have to find the angle. Now let us say that if theta is angle between velocity and acceleration at t equals to 1 second, then we can use the dot product, the scalar product, the formula for scalar product, which is v dot a equals to va cos theta, or we can write cos theta equals to v, and I am writing magnitudes as va. So we have dot product of the two vectors here in the numerator. That means we have to multiply, we have to find the scalar product of v and a. So this will be 15 I cap plus 2 j cap dot 17 I cap plus 6 j cap. And in the denominator we have multiplication of the magnitude, so v is root of 229 and a is root of 325. So now you can solve this. I'll leave this part to you. This is a basic, do the basic dot product you have already done, and then solve this. You will find the value of theta equals to cos inverse of whatever value that comes here. Now also you can see here, now if I remind you the formula for unit vector, then we knew that vector A can be written as the magnitude of A into unit vector A, or I can write unit vector of A equals to this. Now if you see here, this is nothing but V vector and this is the magnitude of V vector. This means that this 15 I cap plus 2 j cap upon root of 229, this is nothing but unit vector of V. The unit vector of V can be written as this root 29, and similarly unit vector of A is nothing but the acceleration vector upon root of 325. So you will have another formula for finding the angle. You can directly write cos theta equals to vector V upon magnitude of V is nothing but V cap, and this will be A cap. So this is another formula that is, if in some question directly unit vectors are given, so you can find the angle between the vectors by using this formula. And this you can find the mathematical, this is the original version of the formula that you can find here, and you can find the angle theta equals to cos inverse of whatever the value comes from here. So this will be the answer to your question.